Alright students, while previewing you also have to look carefully for other items such as pictures, charts, diagrams, graphs or tables. They also contain very important detail related to the article, and you must have heard that a picture speaks more than 1,000 words. So be careful and do look for these things if there are any in the article you are going through. Similarly, you have to go for these important details as well. If the font is changing within the article somewhere, so you have to look for a word or a phrase or a number of words or phrases that are set off in italic type or in bold face print. So if you come across such words, you must be very careful and you have to note them down, because they probably uh, been emphasized because they contain very important points in the article. All right. Okay girls, now your previewing is done. After your previewing is done, you have to read. And how you have to read? You have to give a thorough reading of your article. Go for a thorough reading. All right. And you have to try to understand the article the first time you read. Okay. You do not slow down or turn back. Okay. Check or otherwise mark main points and key supporting details. Then pay special attention to all the items that you noted in preview. Okay. And you must also look for the definitions, examples, and other things like that in the article, because they often indicate key ideas. And lastly, what you have to do, you have to identify main points as I have discussed here, and then you have to try to turn these points into questions, and then you read the article to find the answers to these questions. For example, if you find a subheading in the article, try to convert it into a question, and then in the paragraph that is followed by that heading, you would find the answer to it. So this is how you would be there to gather your main ideas, important details to write down your summary. Okay, once you are done with reading the article and marking the main points and other details, once you are done with that, you are finished. What you have to do, you have to go back and reread more carefully the areas that you have identified as most important points. All right. And you also have to focus on other key points that you may have missed in your first reading. Now girls, you have to take notes on material. All right, you would be having a handout with you, or a book, or for example the article is written in a newspaper. So you have these things as material with you. You have to take notes on the same material, for example on newspaper or on book, or if you are having a handout or any printout. Okay, so these taking notes on material would help you to concentrate on getting to the main ideas and the key supporting details. So this is very important and you must do that. Alright girls, this was all for the day. How to summarize an article. I hope that you have understood the main points, and I expect you to write them down to memorize these points, because soon you are going to have an activity, and definitely the activity would be that I would provide you with an article and you would summarize it. Okay, girls, have a good day. Good luck. Bye bye.